Saving your work is a crucial part of working in After Effects or any application because they can all crash. Your computer can crash. Or what happens to me on occasion is my cat here will go behind my desk and she's playing around and she'll step on the power switch to my power supply and my computer suddenly goes black. So I've gotten used to that and I kind of block that area. But the point is, let's say you're working for a client and your client is giving you green stuff, money, and your cat happens to step on the power switch and you've been working on a file for 2 hours and didn't save. Well, you have to start again, completely from scratch. So get into the habit of going to File and choosing Save or pressing the keyboard shortcut Command or Control S every 10-15 minutes like I do. Now you'll notice that the word Save here is available because it's the first time I'm saving this file. Now when I save the file or I make a change, when I go back here again, you'll see that it's ghosted out. So every new save, it's going to ghost out for you. Now, Save As is a great way to create a backup copy or an additional copy for experimentation. Let's say, for example, your client likes this a lot, but they want maybe a version that has the cat as a blue cat or something else that's crazy. So you would choose Save As and then give it a different name. My movie B or 2, for example. That way you'll be able to go back and forth between the original and the new one at any time. You also have the ability to save as a copy and to also increment and save. So let me go ahead and click that and you'll see that it says My Movie 2 for me. Let's try that again. Increment and save. My Movie 3. I'll take a look at my desktop and you notice we have 2, 3, and the original. So this is a fast way to save as a different iteration of that file. Now, when I was teaching in college, I was quite shocked actually at how students didn't just naturally save their work. And even my in-laws, they don't save their work either. And when their computer goes wacky on them, of course my phone is ringing. And I have to say, just because you're in the computer and working on the computer doesn't mean the file is saved until you actually put it on that disk by choosing File and Save. So please consider this as a public service message. Save your work every 10-15 minutes, and that way you'll only have to go back a little bit to redo anything that you may have lost due to a power failure or a cat, or, instead of having to go all the way from the very beginning by not saving at all. So please take that into consideration, and hopefully that will help you guys out when it comes to saving your files in different formats and using this great feature, Increment and Save.